the second day of the Global Manufacturing and Industrialisation Summit. Again, the first time this summit has been run, and hopefully the first of many here in Abu Dhabi. Yesterday we had a day talking about regulation and policy, and really taking a government perspective in the morning about what should we be doing. We had many ministers from all around the world speaking to us, giving us their perspectives, also some leaders from business as well. In the afternoon, we focused on different regions, different sectors: healthcare, Europe, North America, food and beverage, among others. Today, we're going to focus more squarely on the technology aspect of manufacturing. We finished yesterday with a really interesting and inspiring presentation from Hyperloop One about the future of transport technology, some technologies there that could even allow us to get from here to Dubai in just 12 minutes, among other destinations. Today we're going to continue that technology theme and delve more into what are the kinds of developments that are going to happen. We'll be talking about big data, we'll be talking about automation, we'll be talking about the Internet of Things and analytics, and how manufacturing and societies are going to be changed by these factors, and what we as government, business and civil society leaders and influencers can do to make sure that we play a proactive and positive role in creating manufacturing as a core part of a prosperous future.